Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Glad to see you again in my series called Essential Spanish for Beginners. Today, in this video, we are going to learn Los días de la semana, that is, the days of the week. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say all the days in Spanish, tell your favorite day, and even talk about weekends. Vamos, let's begin. To say Monday, we say lunes. Tuesday is called martes. For Wednesday, we have miércoles. Thursday is called jueves. For Friday, it is viernes. Saturday is called sábado and Sunday is domingo. Please note that the days in Spanish are not capitalized while writing unless they come at the start of a sentence. Let's go through it once again. This time, please repeat after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Muy bien, you did a great job. I've got an interesting memory trick for you to remember the days in Spanish. Most of them are based on planets and celestial bodies. Let's understand. Lunes comes from the word lunar, which is related to moon. Martes is named after planet Mars. Miércoles comes from the word Mercury. Jueves is linked to planet Jupiter, and Viernes is named after planet Venus. Easy way to remember the days, right? Now let's learn how to use them in sentences. Hoy es lunes means today is Monday. Mañana es martes means tomorrow is Tuesday. Ayer fue domingo, which means yesterday it was Sunday. Let me ask you a question now. ¿Cuál es tu día favorito? What's your favorite day? To answer this question, you need to say mi día favorito es and the day. Por ejemplo, mi día favorito es sábado or mi día favorito es miércoles. Next, we are going to learn something that we all love, that is weekend vocabulary. To say weekend in Spanish, we say el fin de semana, which means the end of the week. It includes Saturday, sábado, and Sunday, domingo, the 2 days that we all look forward to. Now it's time for some fun. Let's do an interesting exercise. Tell me the correct answer. Let's start. What day comes before lunes? What day comes after miércoles? What are the days of the weekend? What day comes between domingo and martes? Did you get it right? If yes, that's great. If not, you may watch the video as many times as you want. As you have learned the days in Spanish, write in comments what day is when you are watching the video. If you found the video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for learning Spanish. Nos vemos.